Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I already have my skin prepped and moisturized, and I already did my brows obviously. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this. I have been not home forever the past 2 weeks, so that's why I haven't been able to really sit down and film. It's been kind of crazy lately. Freaking prom season has been insane for at work, like for hair and makeup. Girl, my Saturdays have kind of been insane and pretty stressful to say the least. We're going to be using the Kat Von D Shade Light Eye Palette. This one is the plum one, and it comes with a base, define, contour, and a highlight shade. Freaking palettes are hard to open. So it looks like that. I really like these colors. It's a really good, fall palette. I think these are retailing. They've been on sale for the longest time, and I don't know why, because I got this months ago. So I don't know why they've been on sale for so long. So I'm using the Sigma Blending E25 brush, and I'm just going in with the lightest shade, or one of the lightest shades. And I'm just going to pop that in my crease. I honestly love plum looks for my color eyes. I've always loved plums. I'm okay with olives with my blue eyes. But I think my favorite look for my colored eyes is bronze, golds, and browns. Because obviously, it's kind of on the opposite of the color wheel. So it really makes them stand out, especially, if I'm outside and then people are always, complimenting, saying, oh my god, your eyes are so pretty. And it really, colors do help emphasize your eye color naturally. I feel like I haven't filmed in forever, which is true. I've been trying to film, but it just hasn't worked out, the timing, and I've been super tired on days that I've actually had time, because literally for the past 2 weeks I haven't been home. So it's nice to actually be at home, be able to catch up on laundry, pick up my room and kind of balance that out a bit. It's nice. It's nice. So I'm going to use this duo, and I'm going to use this shade right here, the end shade. It's the highlight shade. It's a little pinkish to my liking, but I want to use the palette, like the whole palette, so I'm going to go ahead and use that on my brow bone. And I'm going to use the base shade and just apply that directly just on my lid. I like how these colors are really pigmented and very colorful, but they're not extremely insane purples. They're very muted, and they're very wearable for an everyday look. Actually in the day. Then you can really go ahead and smoke it out for a night. Something I really like. I want to get the other palettes. Really anything warm really looks good on bluer eyes, cooler looking eyes, I guess. And I'm going to go in with the darker purple. I kind of wish these had names, but whatever. We are literally just applying that directly in the crease area. So I've been trying to get Jeffree's The Blood Sugar palette for the longest time his newest palette, but I freaking can't because it's been sold out for like 12 years by now. Like, I'm gonna need him to get his shit together and get some more palettes because I'm tired of waiting. I've been literally wanting it forever. It's not fair. It says no additional product. Just kind of making sure I'm not losing that intensity that I created before. And then sometimes if I feel like it's too harsh, I'll kind of take a fluffy brush and kind of blend that out a little bit and then do it a little bit more after I apply my foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom of my eyes before I move on to my foundation. No, I'm going to do my foundation first. Okay, so I finally gave in and went back to the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. This one is in 115, which is eye-free. This is my all-time favorite foundation. Like, I've tried other foundations, expensive, you know, drugstore, but this is my favorite one out of all of them, and I love it even more because it's like $6. Why not? This is probably like a shade darker than what I should be using, but I don't care. Been loving it's Maybelline the Age Rewind. This one is in the Brightener Illuminator. I've been using it as a concealer. I like it because it's like the lightest shade. So I went ahead and set my face with the Airspun Extra Coverage Loose Powder. I really like that stuff, and it's really affordable, and it's a really huge, you know, little powder. So I really do highly recommend it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Kat Von D. Has eyeshadows and then the little contour shades and all of that. So I'm gonna go in with this one right here, the lightest brown, with my Real Techniques buffer brush. I'm not really going to contour, I'm just going to kind of warm up my face a little bit. Warm up my nose. So blush. Ever since I used this blush, like, it's the MAC Peaches blush. It's a really good blush. I started using it and then I stopped and I went to another blush, but I've been using it again. I honestly think it's my favorite blush now. I think it is. It's a really good blush. Alright, with my highlight, I'm using my favorite highlighting palette, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero palette. As you can see, I really like that top metal shade. So I'm going to go in with that top metal shade because it is my favorite. I don't think they're selling this palette anymore, so I stopped using it for a really long time and honestly forgot about it till one day whenever I was messing around like organizing my makeup, and I was like, oh my god, I haven't used this in forever, I need to use it. But I really don't think that they're making this palette anymore because I've recommended it to a few of my friends and they're like, I don't think they're making it because I don't see it on their website. So use Forever Lit. I love to use this as an inner corner highlight. It's very, very bright, so you really have to be careful with this one if you are using this palette, especially whenever you use it as an actual highlighter. on your cheekbones because that shit bright, girl. I'll connect the two. I'm gonna go ahead and use the normal lashes that I always use, and I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara while these are getting ready for me to put on, and it is the Rimmel Scandalous. Lipstick for today's look is by MAC, the Cream Cup. It is a cream sheen. It is honestly one of my favorites and one of my go-tos for like a nude pink. Alright, and to set this look off, I'm going to go ahead and use my spray, my face spray from Mario Badescu. This is the lavender one. Absolutely love it. I love the smell of it. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did.